Manish Nigam, and now I'm going to give you the explanation of advertisement lost and found. What we do when we are going to do the exercise or the question based on lost and found advertisement. So first of all, you have to remember the main points. After learning or catching these keywords or the main points, you can easily write a lost and found advertisement. So first of all, we have to give this heading, that is lost and found. It is already given there. So first you remember this, and this you can keep in capital letter. The second point is specify the item. Whatever item you have lost or found, that has to be specified. That must be given the detail of. Okay, means whatever item is lost. Suppose here I have given the detail of black VIP briefcase. So it has to be specified. The object or the item which is lost or which is found has to be specified. Then after comes the next point, that is physical description. So physical description of the object or the item which is lost or found, that also has to be noted down. Then detail of when and where. Detail of when and where means when it was found, okay, or when it was lost, or from where it was found. So these are the 2 points that you have to keep in your mind. And the next one is, if it is a lost material, you have lost something which is valuable, you need it badly, so for that you can give any reward also. So it is there optional. If you want to keep it there, if you want to write it there, it's okay, otherwise it's not necessary. The next point is, that is contact and phone number. So after watching my so many videos of advertisement, you might have understood that contact and phone number are important part of the advertisement. Before I go to the sample, let me clarify that it is a 3-mark question. 1 mark is for format, 1 mark is for content, and 1 mark is for expression. That is important, you have to understand. The second point is that the ad is always written in a box, and the third point is, that is word limit. So you cannot cross the word limit, that is 50 words. Okay, so let me recall again. First of all, lost and found. If you are solving this question, so simply you write the heading lost and found. Then comes the second point, specify the item. Whatever item it is lost or found, it has to be specified. And then the physical description, the object, what is lost or what is found, has to be given, the detail of it, detail of when and where it was found, and then reward, it is if it is announced. If you want to add there, you can, otherwise you can leave it. And then contact and phone number. Okay, now let me take you to the sample, how we write there. So here the heading that we write, lost and found, and try to write that in capital letter. Then comes, as this question is of found, so one person is there, Mr. Nikhil Gaur. He has found a bag, that is VIP briefcase, and he has published an advertisement in the column of lost and found, giving all necessary details. Okay, so here this man Nikhil Gaur has found, so here it will be found all in capital. Last Monday, a black VIP briefcase while traveling by the Rajdhani Express. So there you see when and where. How did he get that object? How did he get that briefcase? It is mentioned there. So last Monday, a black VIP briefcase while traveling by the Rajdhani Express. It is a train, Mumbai to Delhi. That you can also add, because you have to extend the word limit. After that you can keep full stop. It will be returned to the rightful owner after the particulars and details of the content are given. Means whatever detail he has mentioned here, after giving all such identities, the rightful owner can take it back, and that detail is mentioned here. It will be returned to the rightful owner after the particulars, means the detail of the bag which was found here, VIP bag which was found, so the particular and the details of the content, if that person specifies or identifies that or clarifies that, then after only he can be given this bag to him or her. And after completion of this, you can just mention the contact address and then name. If it is given in the question, it's okay. If it is not there, you can put any fake name, no problem. And then don't forget to mention the phone number. So in this way, my dear children, we do lost and found ads. Okay, hope this lesson, this video will be helpful for you to understand the lost and found video, lost and found question. And for other videos or for other ads, I will give you few more videos. For now, thank you and God bless.